Hey everyone, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can simply download and install bulk Crap Uninstaller in your computer in a very simple way. What it does, it batch installs many apps at once, including leftover files. So it's a very useful app for installing applications. How you can simply download it, just simply open any of your favorite browser, simply come over into the search option and simply search for bulk space Crap Uninstaller. You can see, click on that, and then you're going to get it from the BCUninstaller.com, this website. Click on this, and then you can simply download it. Click on download on source force. So click on that, click on download. After taking a short time, it will going to the download option. Click on download. After completing the download, click on this folder icon. It's a zip folder, you can see, so you have to extract it. Click on the right mouse button, click on extract all, extract over here. After completing extracting, you have to scroll down a little bit, and then you're going to find out the BCUninstaller. So if you click on that, click on more info, click on run anyway and click yes, and now you can simply see it's starting the installation. And after complete, you can simply click on your default language should be choose English. I'm going to choose English United States. Apply. And now here it's open. Click continue. Continue. And then over here you have to click on show install marked and show install marked as protected and disable protection of install marked as protected. So continue right now. Continue. Click on that. Continue. Finish setup and close it. And now if you want to delete something, like I'm going to delete it, for that what I have to do first, we have to click on uninstall, continue, and then it will going to show something like this. So I'm going to click on continue and begin installation. Click on install, and now it's installing the Creative Cloud from the desktop. And now your Creative Cloud desktop has been successfully installed. Basically what it does, it will going to delete all the files also, and it will completely install your functions of any of software. So it's a very useful app. So there is a lots of things you need to, and you can see here there is a message. Do you want to look for leftover from the performed installations? If I just click yes, it will going to searching for the leftovers. It finds something like this, so click on delete selected, and that's it. Very simple. So it's a very useful app, and there are lots of things you need to know about this app. So if you want a dedicated video, then you can simply comment below, then I can show you a dedicated video how you can simply use it. So thank you so much for watching. I hope to see you for another videos. Till then, goodbye.